everybody. Welcome to 2024.
Yeah,
Martin.
we made it.
We did.
And we're still here, technically.
Well, yeah, there's just there. And then there were two. Yeah. Don't worry. Jake is at cross-country practice, and Tommy's a little under the weather.
Yeah, he's dying.
He's got the tuberculosis.
Yeah,
other than that, he's fine. No,
he's fine.
He's good. But Martin and I just wanted to say hi to you guys and welcome to 2024. All our VW Live friends out there. And, well, we got a lot going on, Martin. What do we got going on?
A little bit. We got some... we got Jessica to work on. I'm doing some metal work. I got Wolfsburg West is sending us some metal to do the nose.
So and then to get the welder out and start doing some welding.
Start doing little bitty welds everywhere. We'll have some of that.
So Jesco.
You got a Scirocco.
Yes, our friends over at Heritage have hooked us up with some fuel injected hoses and such for Rocky 13. So it's going to be like drivable. It's like it's just been
Fuel's
leaking.
Not going to pour out everywhere.
I'm not getting very good fuel mileage right now.
So pour half of it out.
Yeah, so that's that. So we're excited about that.
Yeah.
We have just a lot of things going on in the Volkswagen world. We've got what year's that thing out in the field? The 71?
71 or 72?
70. So we've got a Beetle that we got to work on.
Yep.
We've got that. I've got that 66 SO42. Still, putting pieces together for that. That'll be a fun split window project. I've got a fastback. Tell us more about that fastback, Martin.
You've seen the fastback. If anybody wants a fastback, let us know because we're kind of over it.
Yeah.
And we're helping a friend out that might be getting some parts.
So somebody needs a motor. A
motor. So we have a fastback without a motor, I think is what
it might be.
Might be.
So what we're saying is messages if you'd like to buy a blue 68 fastback.
Yeah.
Because I think
seen it in videos, so you know what it looks like.
Yeah. It needs some work.
Yeah, it needs a floor pan, which comes with a very fancy floor pan by
Yep. So
ISP makes it or something.
Yeah, it's really a good pan, and so it just it's one of those things.
Yeah.
So we're
project for somebody else.
We're terrible at that kind of thing. We're just like, never mind.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's it. We got, of course, we got VW events coming up. This weekend is the winter cruise, but you'll see videos of the winter cruise. That's gonna be fun. We're gonna go up to Temple to the train museum.
Oh,
yeah!
Nice.
How exciting is that? And then we're gonna end up at Top Notch in Hutto. So that's gonna be for a fourth Saturday at Top Notch. So that's gonna be fun. And then the very big event is a first and probably the only. Bay Area Dave and I have had this conversation for years, and we're actually going to have a tour across Texas. It is called the Route 67 VW Road Trip. And we're going to attempt to drive the old U.S. Highway 67 from Texarkana all the way to Presidio.
Yep.
And in our Volkswagens.
And that's open to anybody that wants to go on it. So let's see if you can get like 100 cars.
More the merrier. It's kind of taking on a life of its own. It has a Facebook page, an Instagram page.
Even if you just want to come out and like see we're on the route, and we'll try to figure out something where you can tell where they're at and wave at them.
And wave at, yeah, we're gonna have something. It's gonna be pretty epic. It's spring break, March 11th through the 14th. We're gonna start in Texarkana on the 11th. We have a host hotel. How's that? I know. The first night, somebody texted me today, what, we're staying in a hotel the first night, no camping? I said, you can camp the first night, but we're going to have a driver's meeting and that kind of thing. This is like a really slow version of the Cannonball Run.
Very slow. It depends if Gary's in the front going 50 miles an hour.
Very, very slow. But last night I met with some folks, the city council of Presidio, and they are so excited. They're going to have like a finish line banner for us and a band and trucks and food trucks.
Oh, jeez. You better hope a bunch of cars are coming. They're going to be out there like, welcome. And it's just Gary and one other dude.
Me and Bill.
You and Dave and Bill.
That's it. Hey! Fort Stockton's going to have a street festival for us too.
Oh, God.
Sulphur Springs is having a big luncheon for us. I mean, y'all. So anyway, March 11th through the 14th, everybody is welcome. Check us out on Instagram or Facebook for all the details. There'll be more on here for sure, but I'm really excited about and Martin has came up with the official logo. Yep. So we have swag available on All Metric Garage.
Yep.
So I'm excited about it. So let's talk about what we've got. We're showing people today, besides you and me sitting here in front of these fine Volkswagen posters.
These are promo videos for the Harvest originally. So we used to have a video guy that liked having fun with playing with videos. So he just made us a bunch of videos for a couple of years, and that's what you're about to watch.
Oh, they are quite entertaining.
Now, these used to show before or at Top Notch the day before the show.
Yeah, they used to. That was right. We would do them on the movie thing at Top Notch.
Yeah.
So you'll see how much we've all aged.
Yes.
You will see.
Yeah, Jake's like this.
Yeah, you'll see the bearded wonder
with no beard.
No beard.
Or half a beard.
You have the chops. He looked good. He looked darn good. But anyway, so that's what this is. They're entertaining. They crack us up when we watch them still, and so we hope you guys like them too. And stay with us, y'all. We appreciate it. Our hiatus, we're back. So that's the good news. And we got lots in the pipeline for 2024. We're excited. I mean, Jesco, y'all.
It has to be done.
Jesco, look, I think the bottom line is we need to get Martin. We got to put a deadline where he's rolling on a bus bash in Jesco.
We need a bus bash to Top Notch.
Yeah. That's about as far as Martin.
A tow bar behind the truck.
So stay with us, you guys. Enjoy today. Get your popcorn ready and enjoy these old Harvest promos. And we just want to say thank you guys so much. Make sure you check us out at All Metric Garage.
Yep.
There's lots of goodies over there, and help support the channel and that kind of thing. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Yes.
And tell your aunts and tell your uncles about VW Life. We'll see you guys next week.